Hello everyone, I'm here with an amazing Hostinger offer through which you can save up to 95% discount from Hostinger. Now this is a special limited time coupon code deal for my audience. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed over here. Now you may see over here a summer offer is running right now over here which claims up to 80% off, but I'm going to make it 95% off for you because you have clicked on the link in the description. But before you claim this amazing coupon code offer, I want to tell you few features why Hostinger should be your first choice. First of all, look around the 30 days money back guarantee, which is an exclusive amazing thing from Hostinger. If you scroll below, you may see around over here some reviews on Trustpilot for Hostinger. So let's see, what people are saying regarding Hostinger on Trustpilot. Now, Trustpilot is an industry's independent review-based website, and let's see the reviews. 5 star, 5 star. Hostinger has the most efficient and helpful AI agent I have ever worked to answer all your questions about how to get things planned. So you can see around over here, the majority of the reviews are 5 star or 4 star reviews. And the best thing is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. Now, this is an amazing thing with this offer right now. So again, what you have to do is simply click on the link in the description and then follow this tutorial and the coupon code, which I'm going to tell you around over here. So if you are an AI fan, Hostinger has Hostinger Horizon, which is going to create your website, or you just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create a website for you. It's an amazing thing. And if you want to use a WordPress website like me on my blog, you can use a Hostinger, build a WordPress website and to create your own website at Hostinger. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service. So that is a free website migration service where the competitors are charging $2,600 or more annually for the same service. Hostinger offer you free, completely free, and free website migration. Everything is included with this offer. So now scroll below and look around. 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And I want you guys to be the part of this amazing Hostinger coupon code deal. So again, click on the link in the description over here, and then move over here. And without wasting much time, now we are directly moving on to the plans where we can save up to 95% discount. So all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime, 24/7 support. By default, Hostinger offers three plans: premium, unlimited, and cloud startup. If you ask me which plan I am using it, so the unlimited plan has amazing features. I'm using this one, and I want you guys to take the advantage of this one. But you can opt for any as per your convenience. For instance, look around on your requirement. The free domain is coming with all of the plans. The premium plan has SSD storage, but the unlimited and the cloud setup has NVMe storage, which is even faster than SSD storage. Premium has free weekly backups, and the unlimited and cloud setup has daily backup. So you can see it slightly changes. So look around what features attracts you the most. Right now it's 80% off, but I'm going to make it 95% off for you. Simply select the choose plan with any of the offer to avail this amazing deal. So once you select the choose plan, now you will be redirected to another page, and on that page you can see around where Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. If you want to save the maximum amount of money, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months. Sorry, but you can offer 24 or 12 months as well. You can see your order summary over here, and after this, like, they have a coupon code, and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with this discount link. Once you apply this coupon code over here, you're going to see that your price got a further discount over here. Also, you can claim a free domain from over here or later through the hosting control panel, also known as H panel. I'm just going to give you an example as how you can claim your free domain. So I'm going to make it 1 year, so you do not have to pay anything additional for this. You can see it on over here. After this unlimited plan, your free domain is included. Now 80% off at here plus 10% is 80 plus 10 is 90%. After the free domain, daily backups, free email for 1 year, it's going to make it up to 95% off. 30 days money back is included. Now simply select the continue over here to move on to the last part. Now you may be asked to log in at hosting or need to create a new account at hosting or need to synchronize with the Google account to move on to the last part. And the last part is doing payment. But before you do the payment, see everything is loaded. Your order summary is being designed over here. Your billing address is updated, or you can simply edit over here and write your billing details over here, and then continue over here and move on to the last part, and that is doing payments. Now hosting will offer you variety of payment method, guys. You can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, China, Alipay, Hong Kong, and CoinGate for crypto payments. You can use anyone to avail this amazing coupon code deal. For instance, if you are going with a credit card, select credit card, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And once you do it, within a few minutes, you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. Just for a revision, that this is a limited time deal from Hostinger, and in order to enjoy this amazing offer, simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I have described in this video to avail up to 95% discount from Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger with this amazing offer and a coupon code discount. Good luck.